Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mojo AI Video and Reels Editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mojo is a powerful AI-powered video and Reels editing app that allows users to create professional-quality social media content with ease. The app offers AI-assisted templates, text animations, music integration, visual effects, and customizable transitions, all designed to speed up video creation. It also supports exporting in multiple resolutions, story formats for platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and a simple drag-and-drop interface for easy editing. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated by content creators and social media enthusiasts alike for its intuitive interface, fast editing capabilities, and variety of creative templates. It allows users to produce polished videos quickly, add AI-generated effects, and personalize content to match their branding or style. Many users also like that they can save drafts and export content seamlessly across devices. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While some templates and effects are free, full access to premium features requires a subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. There are occasional complaints about limited customization options in certain templates, and some users experience slow processing with larger video files. Also, the app's usefulness depends heavily on how frequently the user creates content. Casual users might find it more than they need. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Mojo app may be worth using if you're a content creator or social media enthusiast looking for a fast, AI-powered, and mobile-friendly video editing solution. It shines in ease of use, creative templates, and social media-ready exports. However, if you're not ready to subscribe to premium features or only need basic editing tools, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.